How to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. Let's get started. So if you're seeing unwanted suggestions or account in the you may like section, here's how you can fix it. Open up TikTok application and then log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, this will instantly refresh your suggestions. If that does not work, you can simply tap on the profile icon. Then tap on this three-line icon. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on activity center. Now select search history. Now tap on select all search history, and just like that inside here, you can simply tap on delete all, clear your search history. After that, hit back, then tap on notification, scroll below. Inside here, you will be able to find this option. Make sure you turn off these all options. After that, hit back and then force close your TikTok application. Now once you have force closed it, you can simply open it up and see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you can simply try logging out of your account and logging back in again. Your TikTok suggestion should now be refreshed and more relevant. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.